So guys, in this video I'll show you how you can connect PS4 or PS5 controller to play Escape the Backrooms if you're playing on Xbox app. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, what you need to do here is to write DS4 Windows and click on the link ds4-windows.com. Then you need to press on download. Don't click the ads because sometimes it can be viruses. And then scroll all the way down until you see official DS4 Windows. Press download. And then press this download button again. And then DS4 Windows will be downloaded to your computer. Next up, what we need to do here is to extract DS4 Windows, extract all to your computer. Then you should see Win64. And then you need to press view and then select show and make sure file name extensions is here. And then select Windows DS4 Windows CXC. And then connect your controller via Bluetooth or wire, and it should appear, that particular controller should appear here. So as you can see here, I just connected and it's working. If you're installing DS4 Windows for the first time, maybe you need to do additional steps, but it will be shown step by step how you can do so, like install an app or select your controller. It's super easy. And once your controller now is connected, we can now go on the S4 Xbox app and play Escape the Backrooms. But the only downside with this method here, basically it's the only method how we can connect PS4 or PS5 controller, but the downside is that basically controls will in-game will be on Xbox controller simply input. But the controller will work. So as you can see here on the bottom, if I press my controller, bottoms it shows the buttons. If I go on settings, you can see on the top I can close, and basically the controller settings is working perfectly fine and controller is working as well. But as you can see here, controller will be Xbox layout, but it will work. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.